Neville Goddard was a highly respected motivational speaker and author. He shared a variety of techniques with his students, helping them to attract not just wealth, but also abundant prosperity. Among these techniques, like the ladder and SATS methods, he hinted at a secret technique designed exclusively for manifesting money. This unique approach revolves around our sense of smell, with Neville strongly suggesting that the smell of money possesses a distinctive and unique quality. He claimed that this scent is particularly appealing, even more so than the most beautiful flowers in the world. His essential advice is that those looking to increase their financial prosperity should regularly acquaint themselves with the smell of money. By frequently immersing themselves in this sensory experience, a connection between the scent and wealth forms within their minds, making it easier to visualize and subsequently manifest greater financial abundance. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can practice the technique of smelling money and how it helps you to attract more money. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more fantastic content. So let's get started. According to Neville Goddard, the role of the sense of smell in manifestation is not just supportive, but deeply significant. The fusion of our reasons constructs our perception, and smell plays a fundamental part in this process. Neville Goddard's teachings suggest incorporating this aroma-based technique into manifestation practices, broadening the scope for drawing prosperity into one's life. It's not an overstatement to say that smell serves as a bridge connecting thought with tangible reality. This awareness, a cornerstone for successful manifestation as per Neville, aligns with his doctrine of visualization and creative thinking. Our five senses, touch, taste, hearing, sight, and smell, work together as our portals to the world, enabling us to understand even what isn't physically present. Significantly, these senses surpass the limits of time and space, making them effective tools for manifestation. In the case of smell, its ethereal nature enables us to conjure scents from the past and envision those we've yet to experience. This is where Neville's recommendation to frequently expose oneself to the smell of money becomes strategic. With each exposure, the brain strengthens the connection between the scent and the concept of wealth, making it more natural to conceive of financial abundance. In essence, smell becomes the link between desire and reality. Neville's law of assumption completely aligns with this technique. Regularly visualizing or encountering physical currency notes creates a vivid mental image in the subconscious. This imprinting, according to Goddard, enhances the visualization of wealth, making it easier to attract. The concept is similar to etching the image of wealth into the very fabric of the mind, making it an intrinsic part of consciousness. This is where the power of combining the visual with the olfactory comes to light. To effectively manifest any desire, including money, a comprehensive sensory depiction is crucial. The mind thrives on details, and to bring forth a manifestation, more than a vague mental outline is needed. Just as visualizing a new home necessitates a complete picture of its architecture, layout, and location, envisioning the texture, appearance, and scent of money plays a crucial role in its manifestation. The distinct fragrance of money, a result of its composition and the inks used for printing, sets it apart from ordinary paper. This distinctiveness, both in terms of scent and the symbolism it carries, makes it a powerful tool in the manifestation process. Neville's teachings emphasize the importance of utilizing this scent, as it acts as a catalyst for the imaginative process. To visualize money is not merely to envision its physical attributes, but also to summon its symbolic essence. The olfactory aspect, being the most evocative and primal of our senses, transforms the experience into something deeply embedded in our subconscious. In the pursuit of effective manifestation, it's essential to understand that vivid visualization goes beyond mental imagery. It requires embracing the visualization as real. This is where the synthesis of the senses becomes crucial. While visualization provides the mental framework, sensory involvement solidifies its authenticity. Engaging all five senses, smell included, breathes life into the visualization, transforming it from an intellectual exercise into an experiential reality. In Neville's framework, successful manifestation demands not just envisioning, but also deeply feeling, touching, hearing, and even smelling the object of one's desires. In the symphony of senses, smell holds a distinctive place. Its direct connection to the part of the brain responsible for emotions gives it the power to evoke feelings and memories uniquely. Here, the captivating smell of money becomes a potent asset. This scent can be considered a secret trigger, unlocking emotions associated with affluence, prosperity, and the excitement of achievement. Inhaling this scent triggers a cascade of emotions, igniting excitement, anticipation, and affirmation of financial well-being. It's this emotional resonance that imparts vibrancy to visualization, a quality crucial for manifestation. It's worth noting that the scent of money isn't stagnant. It changes as it interacts with elements like dirt, sweat, and other materials. Despite these changes, its essence remains recognizable. This adaptability mirrors the nature of manifestation. It adjusts to circumstances while retaining its identity. Engaging the senses is more than a simple exercise. It's a multidimensional journey that, when undertaken earnestly, offers a plethora of rewards. Neville's teachings take this practice beyond mere contemplation, turning it into an immersive experience. The synergy of senses isn't just about enhancing the intensity of imagination. It's about dissolving the boundaries between the imagined and the real. As you engage in this practice, you'll find yourself repeatedly aligning with the aroma of money, effortlessly entering a world where affluence is your constant companion. The human capacity to recognize and differentiate between thousands of scents, as revealed by research, underscores the potential of our olfactory abilities. Emotions, too, have distinct fragrances, resonating with the brain in specific ways. This is where the scent of money takes on its influential role. Its capacity to evoke emotions and memories ensures it resonates deeply within us. This resonance is at the core of manifestation. Emotions, when skillfully harnessed, drive actions and influence reality. The smell of money acts as a catalyst, infusing these emotions with heightened intensity. The scent becomes a sensory catalyst, activating the emotions tied to prosperity and financial well-being. Through the synergy of scent and emotion, visualization transforms from a mental exercise into an experience that transcends dimensions. In this complex interplay of senses and emotions, Neville Goddard's philosophy aligns with the core of our cognitive framework. His teachings are more than techniques. They are profound insights into how the human mind works and how it can be directed toward realizing desires. Embracing his methodology is embarking on a journey that not only redefines manifestation but also delves into the very fabric of consciousness and perception. However, it's important to note that not all individuals fully adhere to Goddard's teachings. The intention here isn't to take sides but to provide a comprehensive view of his philosophy. Manifestation is not confined to a singular doctrine. It's a diverse tapestry woven from various perspectives. For those seeking to reshape their financial destiny, patience emerges as a key virtue. Trusting in the inevitability of prosperity forms the foundation. Incorporating Goddard's teachings into daily life is akin to awakening a dormant potential, tapping into the inner architect capable of shaping reality. The power of Neville Goddard's scent-based manifestation technique lies in its unique approach to visualization and its profound impact on the subconscious mind. This technique uses the sense of smell to create a vivid and emotional experience that goes beyond regular mental pictures. By involving our sense of smell, this method engages more of our being, making the connection between what we want and what we experience much stronger. At the heart of this technique is the idea that our senses connect our inner thoughts with the outside world. Each sense brings something different. Sight shows us things, touch gives us a sense of texture, sound brings out feelings, taste creates connections, and smell triggers memories. Smell is especially powerful because it's directly connected to the part of the brain that handles emotions. It can bring back strong memories and feelings. Using the scent of money in the manifestation process adds a strong emotional element. This emotion goes beyond just imagining things. It makes the connection to what you want even deeper. When you repeatedly link the smell of money with feelings of wealth and abundance, you're creating a mental link between the scent and positive emotions. As you keep doing this, the connection gets stronger, making it easier for your mind to accept the idea of being financially well off. Additionally, this technique uses repetition to change how your brain works. Repetition is important in both psychology and how our brain functions. When you keep experiencing the same thing, like the smell of money, your brain forms connections that get stronger every time. That's why Neville Goddard talks about smelling the money often. Over time, these connections become stronger, making it easier for your brain to think positively about wealth. How long you practice this technique depends on your situation and how deep you want the change to be. Like any new skill, practicing consistently is important. To see changes, aim to do the scent-based technique every day for about 3 to 4 weeks. This gives your brain enough time to adapt to the new way of thinking. During this time, your brain gets used to the new connections you're creating. As you go along, pay attention to any changes in how you think, feel, and act about money. You might notice feeling more confident about finances, finding it easier to imagine being rich, and having a more positive view of wealth. It might help to keep a journal to note down your experiences and any interesting things that happened during this time. Remember, the scent-based technique isn't a quick fix. It's a gradual process. As you keep practicing beyond the first month, you'll likely notice bigger changes. With consistent practice, the smell of money can start to bring up positive thoughts and feelings about money almost automatically. Also, don't hesitate to adjust the technique to fit your preferences and lifestyle. If getting the smell of money is hard, you can use essential oils or other fragrances that make you think of wealth. What matters most is creating an experience that works for you. In short, the power of the scent-based manifestation technique comes from its simple yet effective way of using smell and visualization to create a strong link between what you want and what you experience. Through emotions and repetition, this technique rewires your brain, making thoughts of financial success more natural and accessible. While practicing for around 3 to 4 weeks is a good start, see it as an ongoing practice that slowly changes how you think about money. By involving your senses and emotions in this process, you're tapping into a powerful way of making your desires a reality. Practice is the engine of change here. Repetition reshapes your brain's pathways. The more you expose yourself to the scent of money, the stronger the connection becomes. It's like creating a highway for positive thoughts about wealth in your mind. Neville Goddard encourages regularity because that's how your brain rewires itself. Remember, this technique isn't an instant fix. It's a gradual evolution. Like planting seeds, it takes time for the change to sprout. Over weeks and months, you'll likely notice that your thoughts about money start to evolve naturally. Think of this technique as a customizable tool. If getting the smell of money isn't straightforward, there are alternatives. Essential oils or scents that remind you of abundance can do the trick. The goal is to find what resonates with you. To sum it up, Neville Goddard's approach to manifestation through smell is a refreshingly practical strategy. It's about using your senses to strengthen your connection with what you desire. By incorporating emotions and repetition, you're rewriting your brain's script on wealth. Give it a few weeks' worth of consistent effort, and you might be surprised by the transformation that unfolds. I hope that you enjoyed my analysis of this method by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.